Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can record your screen within PowerPoint. So you don't need any fancy screen recording software. There are many ways you can do this, but if you didn't know, you can record your screen using the application PowerPoint. So what you need to do is open up PowerPoint, go ahead and create a new slideshow like you see I have done here. You don't have to have a slide. You can go up to File and then go to New and then go to Blank Presentation, and this will work just fine. I just thought I would fancy up the first slide here. And then once you're ready to go, what you want to do is go to the Insert tab. It's the third over from the left. Go to Insert, and then once you're there, go to where you see right here, New Slide. So go ahead and add a new slide. We'll go ahead and add a blank slide. This allows you to go ahead and start inserting elements onto that slide. So if you already have a current slide, you can insert stuff here, but you just need to have a specific slide selected. Once you're there, go to Insert once again, and then over on the right-hand side here, you will see something that says under Media, you'll have Video, Audio, and then you'll have one here that says Screen Recording. Go ahead and click on that there that says Insert Screen Recording. Now, as you can see here in the upper center of your screen, you are now going to see all of the different options here for actually recording your screen. So as you can see here, we have the record button, we have the stop button, we have the select area button, and a couple other options. We're going to go from right to left. So right here it says record pointer. If you want the screen recording to show your clicker or pointer, mouse cursor, whatever you want to call it, as you can see me moving it around furiously here, you just leave that highlighted. If you don't want that, you just unselect it by clicking on that there. As you can see, that is not selected, and now when the screen records, it will not show your mouse cursor. So go ahead and leave that selected if you want it, and deselect it if you don't. Next, we have audio. If we go here, you can see we can record communication device. So if we select that there, it will record our audio. If we deselect it, it will not. Again, it all depends on what you have set up in your audio settings on your Windows machine as to what it's going to use as your microphone. If you want to know how to access your audio settings, go to your search bar down here. You may have to close out of the screen recording settings. Go to your search bar down here on Windows and search for audio. And then just go to audio settings. So right here where it says sound settings, go to sound settings. As you can see, we have input and output. Make sure your input here, input device, is the microphone that you want to use. So mine is my audio interface here. And as you can see, it's working intended as the little audio line here is going from left to right. You can kind of audio check here within your sound settings. So go ahead and get out of that. Make sure that is the way that you want it to be. Now we're back over to our screen recording settings. We'll go ahead and select audio because we do indeed want to record audio with our screen recording. And then we have the select area option. So this is the most important one. As you can see, the record button is grayed out until you select an area. So go ahead and click on select area. Once you do that, you will see a crosshair come available to you as your mouse cursor. And then what you do is you just go to the upper left to the lower right, and you just drag where you want the screen recording to be. So for me, I want it to be my entire screen, so I go from top left all the way down to bottom right. And then I just go ahead and release that, or release my mouse cursor just like so. Once I get to the very bottom, it can be a little finicky at times, so make sure you check it, and it is indeed where you want it to record. Now, if you wanted it to be a specific area or a specific application and not the entire screen, you can obviously do that by going to select area once more and then just selecting an area on your screen here like I've done, and it will only record this specific area on your screen. Whatever the little snake lines here, the little dotted lines, little red dotted lines, wherever that is kind of surrounding, that's going to be what you're going to record. The last thing I'll show you is this little guy here where it says pin the dock. If we unpin the dock here, we can actually move that around, but if it's pinned, we cannot. That's kind of how that works. Next, we're going to go ahead and click the red record button here. As you can see, it gives us a countdown. Once it's counting down, you can see it will begin the recording. It'll show you exactly what it's recording here. Let it do its thing. And in order to stop the recording, something they don't tell you or they don't do a very good job of is go to the Windows key on your keyboard, hold that down, and then hold down Shift and Q. So Windows key, Shift, Q, and that stops the recording. Now, as you can see, we have now added that recording onto our slideshow. Obviously, it's not going to be anything here, but if we hit the play button here, it will play back. As you can see my mouse cursor moving around, and you can see the timeline at the very bottom here that we add to our device. Now, what if you wanted to export this video and you didn't want to have to worry about it being part of a slideshow? So what you'll want to do is you will want to right-click right here on your video. So right-click on the screen recording that you just recorded. You'll see a bunch of different options here. The one you want is this one here that says Save Media As. Go to Save Media As, and then a Windows File Explorer will become available to you here. Go ahead and name your video. Once you've given your video a name, you can see here Save As Type Media File. So go ahead and leave that as media file and then go to Save. Make sure you designate where you want it to be saved to, and then go ahead and click the Save button here. In the lower right-hand corner, you will now see a progress bar going left to right, showing you that it is indeed exporting that video for you. Now I'm hopping over to my desktop. As you can see right here, here is the file, this guy here that I'm dragging around. That's the video that we just saved, the screen recording from PowerPoint. And as you see, I've opened it up as a .mp4 video file here, and you are good to go. Now, your screen recording is indeed a video that you can edit, throw into whatever your video editor of choice is, and begin to play around with that screencast. So if you have any questions about how to record your screen using PowerPoint, please go ahead and put those in the comment section below. I will get to those as soon as I possibly can. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if this video helped you out, and I will see you guys in the next video.